Come here. Harper, don't get distracted. Harper. Monkey. Harper, where are you going? Hello. Harper, to see Mama. Come see Mama. Hello, I'm over here. Where are you going? Uh-oh. She's going to the dog food. Come here, Punk. Come on, Harper. Harper, where are you going? Can you
Can I get her?
No, you go get her.
Oh, it's me.
You're fine. Uh-oh, are you better hurry? Watch out. Good boy. Okay, let's try again. Coffin, Lila, lay down. Good dog, lay down. Okay, Harper. Coffin, sit. Okay. Okay, everybody. Okay, come on, Harper. Come on. Come on. Come see Mom.
No, go.
Harper, come on. Where are you going? Come on. What's this? Come get it. Coffin quit. Oh no. Harper. You can get it? Oh, okay. Have it back?
I think I want to take that back. Yeah.
Have it back? Look, no, look, come on. Okay, good girl. Get the ball. Good fetch. Good fetch. Oh, busted.
Wow, this is not on my watch.
You didn't get to fetch it. Hey, Kaufman, you want to see your baby? Good boy. Oh. Ow! Oh, God, you're fast. Let go. Let go. Let go. Harper. Good girl. Okay, Daddy, take her back. See how fast she can crawl again. Okay. Now, everybody watch out. No, no wrestling.
Watch out, dude, man.
Coffin, watch out. Come lay down with Mama. Okay.
Good dog.
Did you lay down right on the spot?
It's your birthday weekend, Coffin.
Kaufman's gonna be 9 years old tomorrow. You mama's baby? You mama's booby? Hi, babe. Okay, let's see your sister crawl. Come on, over here. Come on, over here. No, okay. Okay, we watch. Kaufman, come on.
Oh, Coffin, you're still a baby.
Okay, come on, Harper. Let's crawl over Harper. Kaufman, watch your butt. Come on. Worst video ever. Come on. Come on, Harper. Come see your duckies. Good girl. Oh, you get distracted? Come on.
Yeah.
Where are you going, little buns?
Alright, good boy. Alright, good boy. Watch out, guys. Careful. No, watch out, Pop.
Harper, I can't find you. Lila, move. Hoffman.
Coffin, watch out. Good boy. No. Don't wrestle. Good boy.
Where are you going? Oh, good job.
You gonna start doing chores?
Want to vacuum? Harper, come here. Come here, monkey. Come see me. Good girl. Come on. Come on. Come see Mama. Come see Mama. He's about to get a tail to the head. Harper. Harper, come here. Come on. Okay. And we've lost.
Excuse me, sir. You're in my shot.
We lost our shot. It was adorable, or about to be.
Good boy.
Good boy, Kaufman. There's the baby. Did you have an obstacle course? Hello. Okay. We'll see you later.